my name is Colby Sharp. I am a 5th grade teacher from Parma. Welcome to my channel where we try to help kids fall in love with reading. And a big way that we do that is by talking about amazing books written for kids. And we're going to be opening up a week's worth of book mail. In this video, a lot of you ask how I get books in the mail and how I get publishers to send them to me without having to pay for them. And it's because I make a lot of videos and I talk about them on Twitter and I talk about them on Instagram and I go to conferences and talk about books. These books are not cheap to make, they're not cheap to ship. So when they're sending them to people for free, they're hoping that we'll talk about them and then that'll generate buzz. So that's kind of how this works. No one pays me to open these books or to share these books. It's just something that I love to do. And I got started by just talking about books a ton online. And then eventually, one book at a time, maybe one every couple months, it led to me being able to do a book video almost every week. So that's how we get the books. We're gonna get started now. Please let me know down in the comments below if any of these books look amazing and you wanna buy them and read them to your students or check them out from the library. So let me know down in the comments which books sound fun. Oh, fun. Starting off fun. We have Jukebox. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And you probably read that graphic novel. There's another. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, just look at that. Just look at that. Just open up to, oh, seriously. I know you're going to be writing this down in the comments. So what do we have here? Pocky strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks. It's like candy. Well, it's biscuit stick. I don't know what that means. I like snacks, so might have to eat that up right after this video. I'll let you know. I'll check back in, let you know how those snacks were. Got another package here. Kind of like opening all of them over here and then here, so not feeling that. We got a little board book, Disney baby signs, first words. That's fun. We did the signing thing. We have 5 kids. It's a lot. But we did like the signing thing, I think, for drink and thank you. More. We did that. It was really helpful. So maybe that book will help kids learn some signs. Just watch these signing time videos. They were awesome. All right, from Candlewick. This is big and thick. Ooh. Check this out. Oh, look at that fist. So we have Revolution in Our Time, Black Panther Party's Promise to the People. Well, that looks fantastic. It's huge. I recently read a biography about Nipsey Hussle and kind of learned a little bit about how his family was tied to the Black Panthers. It was super interesting. So excited to dig into this and learn. Man, it's big, it's dense. Wow, that cover. Seriously, that's exciting. Thanks, Candlewick. Always filling my reading heart with joy. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, Miss Yoon's next book, Instructions for Dancing. That's exciting. I loved her book, The Sun is Also a Star. Very exciting. Check it out. Look at that. Let's go. Getting wound up a little bit here. Some good books. Some real good books. Okay, what do we got here? Mighty Inside. So this is going to be the cover eventually, but they kind of do it like this. Publisher does it like this. Mighty Inside, 1955, Spokane, Washington. The year Melvin Robinson starts high school, one of 2 black boys. He knows about racism, of course he does. People tell him his father shouldn't be living in the white part of town. Oh boy. Mighty Inside. Sounds like a good young adult book. All right, let's go. Stay books. Ugh, some of these are tricky. I think I'd have it figured out. Whoops. Fierce as the Wind. What do we have here? It looks like we have a runner, and I love to run, so I'm instantly hooked here. What do we got here? Sometimes heartbreak pushes you to find your stronger self. Senior year of high school, in Hawaii, delivering pizzas on her bike. And then she maybe looks like she's gonna become a triathlete. That's exciting. Yeah, I run like 670 days in a row. So I'm super stoked to check this out. Especially, was it really in Hawaii? I'm going to Hawaii. Like, I don't know when you're watching this, but really soon, if you're watching this when it comes out, like within like a week. It's exciting. It got me more excited to go to Hawaii. All right, we got a picture book here. Dozens of dash hounds. Ooh, so big puppies. That looks fun. Counting, woofing, and wagging book. So we got inside. Oh, that looks cool, right? Kids are gonna be digging this. Dozens of dash hounds. Did I say that right? Probably not. It's all good. Okay, what do we got here? Athena, the Tales of Great Goddesses. That cover's pretty slick. This is the story of the most fearless Greek god. Oh, look at that. We got some panels. Looks like we got ourselves a graphic novel. Let's go. Easy to sell those, isn't it? With our young readers. Okay, here we go. Got like, oh, this is that new Disney movie. These are like inspired by that new Disney movie. My daughter showed me the trailer and she's like all in on this. I don't know, it made me feel kind of like a Little Mermaid in a way, like not creature, not human. So like something from the sea that's kind of humanish comes to land and wants to live on land. I feel like that's what it's about. I don't know. Maybe I'm just making that up. I don't know. But, you know, we're all about the new animated features here in the Sharp household. Ooh. Asari for Ami. That looks cool. That's a good book, y'all. All right, now this package says Harper Collins Publishing and Harper Christian Publishing. And they mailed it to my old address, which I moved from 4 years ago. So I'm not sure what's in here because I do get HarperCollins books to my current home. So I'm not sure. I mean, it's books, of course. All right, let's see what we got here. We got lots of, this is looking like a good box. All right. Palatero Man. Listen to, there's a song. Well, it looks like a fun picture, but Palatero Man. I don't know which way to look. Like that. All right. Strange Planet, the sneaky, hiding, vibrating creature. Whoa, that looks fun. See that? It's a Strange Planet. Get these out of the way. Well, that looks cool. I like the text, like big old text. Strange Planet, that's a thing, right? Strange Planet series. What's Strange Planet? Do you know what Strange Planet is? Let me know in the comments because I feel like I've heard that at school, but I don't know what that is. Unpopular vote. Oh my. That looks interesting. Oh man, and look at this back. Oh my. Yeah, that looks good. An emotion of great delight. Oh, look at that cover. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it feels like there's like almost like, it's like, so it's kind of like rough, but then there's like these smooth, almost look like bubbles. Almost. That's a really cool cover. Man, I'm ready to read some YA too, young adult books, because I'm headed to Hawaii, like I said. And I like to read a little bit longer things when I'm on vacation, pack less books. The Monster Missions by Laura Martin. My kids really like her books. Like Hoax for Hire, I see now, more monster reads. She's written Float, I think was the book that they loved. 12-year-old Berkeley has never seen land. Since the tide rising 50 years ago, people have lived on ships. Well, that's fun. Monster missions. Looks like a series. What do we have here? The super secret super spies. Well, that's fun. Super secret super spies. A lot of books to read, friends. A lot of books to read. A couple of picture books. Oh, I like this voice. Wow. Oh, it's by a U.S. Congresswoman, Sharice Davids. A native kid becomes a congresswoman. Well, that's cool. I love that cover. Good design. Good job, design team. Dang, check out the back. Yo, what do we got? I gotta like dig in this a little bit. Just trying to find a cool spread to show you. I have to read that. I have to read that one tonight. Are you a cheeseburger? That made me smile. Are you a cheeseburger? I don't know, but it looks good. All right, got 6 more books in here. Okay, I ran into a kid in the hall today, and she is all in on the Warrior series, like all in. I don't know this girl, but she saw me and she wanted to talk books, and we talked Warriors, and she was like all in. So don't remember what her name is, but I remember what she looks like. So I'm gonna be like that weird person tomorrow at school that's just like looking in classrooms because I have to find this kid. Because it's Warriors, graphic novel. Like, seriously. Sisters of the Never Sea, I just posted my book review of this book, and this is the finished copy. This book is so stinking good, and you need to buy it and read it. It is such an interesting take on Peter Pan, Cynthia Leidig-Smith's take on Peter Pan. She is a native author, and if you've seen Peter Pan, like the movie with like Disney, and you know like the depiction of native characters is pretty lazy and stereotypical and kind of gross. So you should read this book. And also, I will tell you that people don't like, so people have been leaving me comments about me saying that, you know, Peter Pan's maybe not where we want a book to be and a movie to be. People are not happy with me, so must be doing something right. Sisters of the Never Sea, it's a beautiful finished copy. Let's go. And a big fat book. How thick that is. Phoebe North, Strange Creatures. Their fantasy protected them, the truth may destroy them. I don't know, sounds kind of scary. All right, we got a couple boxes. I'm gonna save these for next week. That one's heavy though. I'm pretty curious what's in there. This one's not super heavy. We'll open one more. One more, let's see what we got. Let's see if we can finish it off here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this, got all glossy. The Firebird Song. Let me know down in the comments which one of all these books are you gonna read? Let me know down in the comments below. I cannot wait to hear, I can't wait to read them. I'll be back again soon with more book videos. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome-tastic day.